Canada. I'm also very honored to say that thanks to our close work with Canada's Burmese community, we led the world in imposing sanctions on the junta in Burma in order to pressure them towards democratization and respect for human rights and the rights of all the minority ethnic communities. We brought in the toughest sanctions in the world, economic sanctions against the Burmese government in 2009, or 2008, and we have strongly supported Aung San Suu Kyi and all of the others fighting for a peaceful and democratic development of Burma. And, as you know, last week our government announced that we are lifting or suspending sanctions. This is on the advice of Aung San Suu Kyi, who my colleague, the Honourable John Baird, met with when he flew to Rangoon last month. We, as you know, also granted honorary Canadian citizenship to Aung San Suu Kyi, and we hope that she will be able to come to Canada to receive that honorary citizenship soon. I should mention, Venerable, that just last week I met with another humble Buddhist monk like yourself, His Holiness the Dalai Lama.